Good morning, you guys. I'm coming to give you a pour this morning. It is a requested pour from a Miss Shirley Golden. The colors that were requested is rose gold, gold, and a silver. I do not have a silver. The closest thing I have is graphite. So that's what color that I'm going to use. And I'm going to see how that turns out. And then this is the rose gold. And then I'm going to try that gold. And I most likely would add another color. Because all of those metallics might need something to just balance it out. So I'm going to try to put some of the Amsterdam white for a cell activator on top to see how that plays out. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited to be making another video. I haven't made a video in a while. So I've already did my base. And the base is the rose gold. I decided to use the rose gold as the base. I don't know how it's going to turn out with the metallics. But we will find out. And see how this is going to turn out. So the next color that I'm going to use is going to be the gold. I am very excited to see what this is going to turn out like. I've never tried these colors before. Not together. And this gold is just the Decoart 24 karat gold. Next, I have the graphite. And this is just a Craftsmart graphite acrylic paint. And so, like I said, I'm going to try to use the Amsterdam titanium white cell activator to put on top. It needs another color. Well, actually, it doesn't need another color. I just wanted to brighten it up a little bit. Let's see what this turns out like. If I do not like it, then I'll go back and redo it with that titanium white on top. But let's see what it turns out like first before I decide to put another color. These are the colors that was requested. So let's see what happens. And then you won't be able to hear me for a minute because I'm going to cut on this blow dryer. Okay, so it turned out kind of the way I thought it would turn out. What I'm going to do is try to add some more paint here and try to blow this way to see if maybe I can get some more of these cell effects that I got over here on the corner over here. So let me try to add some more paint and see what happens. Even though it's a lot of gold paint on there already, I'm going to try to add some and see what happens. Probably should have put some more of that rose gold at the bottom. Let's just see what happens with that. If it doesn't turn out the way I want, we'll just redo it. Okay, so it is a learning experience that didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to turn out. Let's try adding some rose gold at the bottom. So we'll just give it another go. See whether this is going to give me a different result. I see a little bit of the cells trying to pop up now from where I did that blowing. So let's see. This is definitely not going to look exactly the same because I added rose gold. There you go, guys. Well, it added a nice look. It definitely added that. Tell me what you think. It's actually very nice. I'm going to bring you down in just a moment so that you can see what it looks like. I didn't do what I wanted it to do, but I think it's still beautiful. It's a different color combination. It's actually a wonderful color combination. So thank you so much, Shirley Golden, for requesting those colors. It's actually beautiful. I'm going to run the torch over it. Okay, you guys, so let me just bring you down so that you can see. Everything does not always come out the way, you know, you expect for it to come out, but it's actually a very stunning, rich, it's rich color, so it's actually beautiful. So let me bring you down. Okay, you guys, so here you go. As you can see, those colors are so rich. You know, that 24 karat gold mixed with that rose gold, the colors are just so vibrant. It's nice. It's really nice. And I'm glad that it was requested. Please, please, you guys. And I'm going to turn off this light so we can see whether it makes a difference in you seeing the glimmer and see how it glistens. Okay. As you can see, it is so much shine. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. I would have never tried these colors together. So I'm glad that it was requested. Please, you guys, please leave comments and please make suggestions on the colors that you would like to see, because it may be some color combinations that I do not add together, you know, because it's not a color that I, you know, per se, you know how we have our picks and we have colors that we really like to put together that we think give a good combination. But I would like to hear your thoughts. I would like to know what colors you would like to see. I would like to know what combinations you would like, you know, because this actually came out wonderful and I would have never put that color together. It's beautiful. So leave comments, make suggestions. You know, leave the feedback. I'll definitely respond. And you can also, you know, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you receive any of the notifications saying when I put out a new video. And also, if you're interested in any of the pieces that I do, you can go to Etsy. Go to etsy.com/shop/creative designs by YR. Also, you can contact me by my email. My email is creativedesignspyyr@gmail.com. Thank you guys for being here with me today. And I will see you next time on the next pour. Bye.